just so weird being back on Gene's boat. There we go. Good morning, everybody. I don't know what you can or can't see right now, but it is currently 5:23 in the morning. My boy, Alex Rudd, who I haven't seen in forever, is coming to get me. He's going to be here in 5 minutes. And we are hopefully going to go tear out some fish here on Norris Lake in Tennessee. But yeah, he knows this area, so he's going to be my guide for the day. We're getting out nice and early for the topwater bite. It's been forever since I bass fished out of a boat, so hope you guys enjoy this episode, and Mr. Alex Rudd will be picking me up here shortly. How to do this again. I'm so used to fly fishing. It's been a minute.
It's the same thing. It's just green and hot.
It's just so weird being back on Gene's boat. There we go.
I told you.
Oh!
Back in there.
Ooh. Of course, it's the 1 second I look away. That looked like a smallie. Yeah. This man's got the best luck in the game or something. Oh, there it is. He's yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. Dance for me, good. You can come back up there, you digging now. You gonna dig? Look at that. Oh,
pretty one.
Think he wanted that thing, dude? Look at that.
Yeah, jeez.
Awesome.
First fish.
There you
Yes,
go,
sir.
buddy.
Nice work. Nicely done. Oh, there's one right behind us.
You're gonna have fun with this.
Oh! Oh god! Are you sure that was a smallie? Oh, you... Dang, that was cool. Okay.
You see him? He didn't. The problem was, dude, he didn't eat it. He just.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, and you said no right as I set the hook.
Yeah.
You're like, he's totally gonna set the hook.
As soon as he blew up, I was like, no, and then, I was like, yeah. Dude, it's hard, man. Like, you seriously got to train yourself.
Yeah. Get him. Oh. That was sweet. Oh.
I knew he'd come back.
You're right. Not a big one, but
no,
hey.
Dude, it's a fish.
That's a fish. He still only got those back hooks.
There you go, bro.
There we go.
A lot better. A lot better. There we go.
Love it.
Got one on the boat.
Love it.
That's awesome he came back for that.
Yeah, that is cool. Oh. First smallie of the year.
There you go, dude.
Yes, sir.
That's awesome, man.
I was.
Oh my God, that's a big one right there.
Alrighty, there it is, guys. Fishing with Mr. Rudd.
Yeah.
First smallie of the season. Pretty fish. God, I love these guys. Go get bigger. Oh, yup.
It was like you need fishing pliers. No, you just need your Harbor Freight $10 and you'll be alright.
The bigger the better. Something keeps popping a few little. Oh, that was sweet. That was sweet.
Yeah, that's a largemouth. What that is, I bet you. Yep, the head.
You want a net or no?
Nah, I'm good.
Dude.
Yep. Old head. I knew there'd be a head up here somewhere. Heck yeah.
Cute. You have very good restraint when you're setting the hook on those topwater fish.
Yeah.
I gotta learn.
You gotta lock this thing in your hand, man. Just let them blow up on it a couple times.
That's awesome. So you're just dropping in right on top of them. Little update for you guys. Topwater bite has been dead for a little while now. We thought we were gonna get on something hot, and then didn't end up making it happen, but we are now back flipping in this brush, and there's actually a fish locked on a bed, in quotation marks. Is it locked?
Yeah, he's spotty.
He's spotty. But
He's cruising off.
he's using the secret bait here, so if he catches it, then we'll show you. If he doesn't catch it, then you don't get to know the secret. That's the deal.
Come on now, play game. Come on, you don't like that on your bed. I know you don't.
Oh, that was the hook set.
It's a pretty fish, dude. That's a pretty fish. Awesome sauce. Get you back in the water. Get you pretty. Just drop in there. I'm gonna eat you back. You ready? Heck yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I mean, got me so.
Yes.
That's what I'm talking about.
You guys think he's out here taking thumbnails with his good camera? No.
No. The iPhone does the trick, boys. We're socially distancing right now because Zaxby's in the open, so it's all to go. Okay, so we're responsible.
I'm excited. This is my first time with Zaxby's in the car.
Zackers.
It smells delicious. I got chicken tenders, which is what I get everywhere. So it's like going to an Italian place. You have to get the chicken parmesan.
Yeah, you got to, bro. Got to.
All right, let's see.
So good.
Ooh, son.
Yummy.
Lake house calories don't count. That's what I was told yesterday. So, wow. Oh yeah. Yeah. I can totally get it with this.
Yeah, it's solid, dude. A good chicken dinner.
Dude,
Try that Zaxby sauce. Now,
it's very Chick-fil-A.
yeah, sort of.
Like a buttery.
Mm-hmm.
This is gonna turn into a cooking show real soon. This episode's taking a turn. Is that rosemary?
Is that rosemary? Oh god. Mm-hmm. Oh, I told you, bro.
Zaxby's. Thanks for sponsoring this message.
Yeah. If you want to sponsor,
Yeah,
please
if you want to
hit me up.
sponsor us, please.
Well, guys, we are back at Twin Cove here on Norris Lake. Alex took me out. We had, a pretty good day. He said it was a tough lake. So
Yeah, it's a tough lake. I'm satisfied.
like pretty stoked that I was able to get my first small of the year, especially on that spook.
Mm-hmm.
Wish I would have got that big one, but I mean, you guys, I got the footage. Like I got that take on footage. So let me know how big you think that smallmouth was. He's saying about 4 pounds or so, but
His tail, the way
Dude.
she's built.
appreciate you bringing me out.
Absolutely, dude.
And I'll be linking all of his info in the description below, so make sure you guys check him out. Hopefully we'll be fishing again soon.
Absolutely.
Man, it's been a pleasure. Man, it's been a pleasure.
We're so dorky.